Hey everyone, it's good to have you back watching my vlog. Today's video is all about the ancient city of Siem in Cambodia. As you may already know, I just got back from Finland after finishing my exchange program. This is actually my first vlog since I've returned to Asia. I hope you all enjoy it. We started our day by having a breakfast with a dish called Quy Tiêu, which is a type of noodle soup, and I'm sure many of you have already had tried it before. Then after eating, we started our adventure by heading off to Siem Reap, which is just 90-minute drive from my hometown. Ôi sợ hãi ơi, đây tại con trần, giờ này tới này chợ ta này. Tới. Hôm nay ai hả? Siem House is a home workshop gallery in Cambodia. This place is highly recommended for anyone interested in exploring Cambodia art and cultural heritage. The gallery displays a variety of unique and creative objects made from different materials like wood, stone, ceramic, silk, and bronze. We can see a combination of tableware, decorative panels, statues, and various things that represent a distinct Cambodian art style. The purpose of the space is to discover and promote the country's cultural identity through art and crafts.
Turn the light on when you need to. Ooh, puts my head way up in the clouds. Maybe it's just the way you're walking, but you got my heart all the way tucking. If you're gonna pick me up, don't let me down.
This place also showcases the works of local artists and exhibits everyday items and architectural details.
Our secret language. Ooh, such a long time running wild. Maybe it's just the melody talking, but to tell you the truth, you're the one I'm wanting. You know I can't.
Lâu vậy?
Chị đau máu. Bao mình có sạc. Afterwards, we went to Trasrong, a lovely Cambodian restaurant that is famous for its traditional dishes. Whenever my family visits Siem Reap, we always make sure to come and eat at this exceptional place. We enjoy our meal in a traditional hut, and the food truly had the authentic flavor of ancient Khmer cuisine. Menu is like this. Mom, Ton, muối tiệt.
Con nên nó luôn khô cả đào.
Lộc trà ở đâu thì.
Chăm voi over mày mời.
Yes, yes, cho vay nè.
Mà lá đi lôi ạ.
Wow.
Thật thì tính à.
Mấy này.
After eating, we decided to stay for a while to digest, and then we decided to try the well-known dessert called Nomacao in Predak. We found a lot of people waiting in line for it. We ended up spending around 30 minutes just to purchase it. It was definitely worth the wait because it was incredibly tasty. The filling was made with coconut. Of course, I made sure to buy some to bring back home for my family. Guys, we have to wait here for 20 minutes because Nomacao is not ready. And we're going to Angkor Wat in 20 minutes. Bye. Angkor thông tuyệt chùm lại kìa. It's so hot, guys. I feel like 50 degrees right now. Five boxes. Dude.
Bố mẹ
Đi ơi. Bố mà đây ấy mày tậu.
Chẳng chào ba nó nhỉ.
Chả cái gì đâu ạ.
Tí được nè. Krư.
Muy bị bệnh chứ. Afterwards, we stopped to pray for a bit before heading to Angkor Wat. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to fully explore the Angkor Wat temples. It was getting late, so we decided to go to Pakong and play archery instead.
Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans flock, and we're loading up the ferry. What can I carry? We always overstock.
Then the captain comes on the line. Oh, it's just about that time. So we're off to the races. Please take your places. I got the island inside.
Below.
The entrance was also impressive. Walking through the mist felt like being in a little slice of paradise.
Christmas is on my mind, and I spend my time waiting for Sundays. Is this whole island mine some grand design? You can have it both ways. Christmas, we're by the
Lớn lên nó cái này mà
Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans flock, and we're loading up the ferry. What can I carry? We always overstock.
Then the captain comes on the line. Oh, it's just about that time.
bông tay không một miếng đi dùng từ từ ai kêu từng con thôi chẳng rồi. Oh, sorry. Bông này đến như này đây.
Okay, we're supposed to have 8, but she lost 1. So if she lost it, 1 for $5. So she have to find it. One of this. Somewhere around here. How is it? Is it fun?
Yeah.
After we got tired from searching for the lost arrow in the dark, we began our quest to find dinner. But we gave him extra money, so it's alright. It took us a while to find a good restaurant to eat at. Eventually, we chose to have Sichuan soup. I didn't film much because my battery was running low. However, after our meal, we also went to a shopping mall before returning home. Thank you for watching my vlog all the way through. See you again soon. Bye.
Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans flock.